Okay, Emilio. Give me that spoon. Give me that. Oh, stay there.
What?
He's going to put it on. Oh, no, he's put it on my hand. Oh, yeah. Oh, my arm. Okay, Emilio. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Let's eat. Oh, he had a little bite. Oh, there it goes. It came out. That's okay. Okay, let's try and keep it in your mouth this time. Oh, no, don't in your hands. In your mouth. In your mouth. That's it. That's it. You're eating it.
He's very messy.
Very messy. I'm going to need a shower after this.
Why?
Because he's dirtied all of me. Give me that back. Give me that. That's my spoon.
I think that's my spoon.
Because he's holding it like it's a toy. Ready? Ready? Oh. Let me get in there. Open up. Open up. Is your sister laughing at you? Open up. Just open your mouth. No, no, no. None of this licking. Go back to your chair. Hey. Hey. Open. Oh no. Oh no. Look at his face. Okay, buddy.
What?
Are you even trying to eat it?
What?
Whoa. Oh.
What?
That's it. There goes my t-shirt. There we go. Oh dear.
What?
Open. There you go. That was a good one. It's going to come out. It's going oh, something's on my leg. Okay. Oh. That was delicious, wasn't it? Okay.
You got more?